Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, cut power at the switch and then the breaker because recessed fixtures share circuits. Use a non-contact tester to verify. While power is off, set a stable ladder and lay out your new bulb, gloves, a soft cloth, and a shallow tray for parts. This prevents drops. Allow the trim and old lamp to cool 5 to 10 minutes so you don't burn your fingers. Once cooled and verified dead, lower the trim or remove the retaining clips to expose the bulb. Work deliberately, not fast. Once the trim is lowered, identify the bulb style so you install the correct replacement. Matching wattage and trim size prevents overheating and glare. Support the old bulb with one hand and either twist gently for bayonet or pull straight for bipin. Pry only if clips hold it. Inspect the socket for blackening or loose wiring. If present, stop and fix. When you install the new lamp, push straight, secure any clips, or twist to lock. Do not touch halogen or LED glass with bare fingers. It shortens life. Once the new bulb is seated, reattach the trim and clips evenly so the gasket seals and the fixture looks flush. Tighten any screws just enough to hold. Excessive force can crack trim. Restore power at the breaker and switch on. Observe for steady light, no buzzing or flicker. If you see flicker or dimming, first turn off power and reseat the bulb and check the socket connection. If problems persist, suspect a bad driver or loose wiring. Stop and call a qualified electrician to avoid fire risk.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.